Hey guys, Johnny with Upscale. So early in the morning, we're getting started. We don't have a full schedule today, but we've got about 8 lawns we've got to do. Getting ready for the weekend. We've got several jobs this weekend. We've got 3 pine straw installs that we got to do this weekend. We also did 3 pine straw installs last weekend. And guys, that's work that you can do during this time of the year, the fall and winter time of the year. That'll keep you busy. That'll keep you working. Pine straw installs. We did 3 last weekend, as I said, and we got 3 for this weekend. One of the pine straw installs that we're doing this weekend is a lady's yard. She's a new client. And I noticed that she had pine straw in her bed, and it probably hadn't been replaced in a couple of years. And I sent her a text and told her, you ought to think about, replacing the pine straw. She said, okay, it's on you. Just that simple, guys. What you have to do for the winter is you look around. The clients that you're mowing for are the ones that are going to give you work. You don't have to find other clients. I said it earlier. 1st of October, we put out a flyer for winter lawn care. We asked for the winter business. And you'll be surprised at the people that'll say, okay, whatever you want to do. So you have to look around. Look at people's yards. If you got a tree that's going to drop leaves, like in this yard where I am now. Look at this tree. That's a pecan tree, guys. That tree is going to drop more leaves than you can clean up. Leaf cleanup is what you want to sell here. Hey, look, this is what I charge you to do leaf cleanups. Now, what I do, if I have a good regular client that has trees and has leaves, what I do, I charge them their regular price plus $10. I don't charge you a lot for leaf cleanups. Now, if you're someone that costs me, you're not a regular client, then yeah, I charge you a little extra for leaf cleanup. But that's what I do. In some regular clients, depends on how many leaves they have, I may just get the price of the regular lawn service. But even with that, all that being said, guys, for the winter months, you should be good. We've talked about, putting away money for the winter. You should be good. So I hope everybody's done that, put you up something for the winter, but you don't want to go through all that money that you put up for the winter. That's why you look for winter lawn care. That's why I do it. I've said it before. We've got a good bit of clients that we're doing lawn care for this winter. We're not going to put the lawnmowers up at all. So hope you got a good plan for the winter, guys. Enjoy this video. It's pine straw installs. All right. Hey guys. So Saturday morning, we are getting our pine straw installed. This is our first pine straw install. As I said earlier, we got 3 pine straw installs to do today. We did 3 last Saturday. We got 3 today. And again, guys, this extra money, this is work that you can do for the winter. Seek out this particular property. I looked at this woman's yard. She's a new client. And I said, hey, look, your pine straw needs to be upgraded. She said, whatever you want to do. That simple, guys. So let's take a look at what we're doing. We're getting the pine straw down, and we're almost done with it. We've been here every bit of 15 minutes. Take a look. We've got it down here in the front. We've got to do this island here. And we're almost gone down the side with it. be back with the finish. As we got it all down. And it took 25 minutes to do all this. And now we're gonna clean it up.
And now the magic begins. Well, I call it magic, but it's not really magic, it's skill. This into one big fluff. Adds about 3 to 4 inch height on it. See how her bed is right here? Not very visible. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a hand tuck on those and see if we can get it to where her bed is. See, that's what I mean. You may have to do a hand tuck on it. That versus that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second and I'm going to do a hand tuck on it and I'll come back and show you the results, all right? Okay, now about 2 minutes later, you see the difference in the edge across the front. The edge.
And there it is, we're done. There's that bed there. And here's the side. And this is our first one for the day. Took us 45 minutes to do this whole job. And when you look around this area of the country, guys, what we have down here, we have trees, we have pine trees. So we use what we have. And this is what people love. And I mean, they love it. Again, we did 3 of these last Saturday, and we're doing 3 today. There it is, guys, pine straw install done. We headed to the next one. Second pine straw install we got. Not a big one. Not a big one at all. Not a big one at all. We're going to get it done and bring you back a finished product. There it is, guys. Our second pine straw install for the morning is done. This one wasn't a big one, but it was a pine straw install. I think this one was 2, 4. I think it was a total of 7 bales that took to do this. And we'll come back and touch those bushes up for her sometime this winter. This one is a straight through winter client. And again, these are the jobs you look for, guys. These are the jobs you want to find. These are the clients you want. That you can come and you have this kind of work that you can do during your winter months. There it is. We are headed on to the next one. The next one is pretty big. All right, guys, so we're at our 3rd pine straw install for the day, and this was going to be a pretty good sized one. We gotta do this bed. We gotta get up in there and feel that some kind of way. Got to do this end here, but I think I may leave that until that dies off. I sprayed it with weed killer, but right now I'm not getting the weed killer that I need. Because I sprayed it on Tuesday and don't look like it did anything yet. Maybe it will, I don't know. But we got to do this bed. We're gonna go around that tree. We're gonna go around that other tree there. We got to do this small bed right here. And I'm gonna go around that tree there. I'm gonna spray some weed killer around this one right here. And we're gonna go back over this bed here. I threw that down about a month ago. But anyway, man, today is Saturday, guys, and again, this is One Up Lawn Care. It's November, and this is the kind of work you're looking for, the extra work. Come back and show you a finished product. And so far, still got to do that tree. Getting ready to do that tree. Pine straw install in progress. That's it, guys. And again, guys, you'd be surprised how people in the South love themselves some pine straw. They love it. All right, we're gonna move a little further. guys, there it is. The last one. Pine straw install. Did these 2 trees. That one, we had already did that bed. We just kind of touched it up. And then we did all this around here. All these beds. And once again, guys, and we did that bed up in there, up in those bricks. And I'm gonna let this settle. I've sprayed some weed killer, treated it with weed killer. Not what I usually have, but what I had. And I'm gonna wait and see what it does. And I got another roll that I'm gonna come back and fill this in with. So, hey, that's it for us today, guys. Y'all like, subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about it. Upscale Lawn Care, guys. You know it's what we do. See you on the next one.